Oakley women are a different breed. We aren't one-dimensional. We aren't stereotypical. You can't put us in a category or tuck us away in a tidy little corner. You can't label us or sell us a label, because we're just not buying it. We are a different brand of women. We are beauty with purpose, sport with soul, athletes with style. We want to perform at the highest level and look good doing it. And when we're not performing, it doesn't change who we are. When Rosie isn't surfing, she is still a surfer. When Jenny isn't running, she's still a runner. When Anne Fleur isn't snowboarding, she's still a snowboarder. When we are not competing, we are still competitors. In the moments between, we plan, we train, we transform. We set our goals, and we rearrange our lives to accomplish them. In the moments between, Oakley women are still acutely focused on their sport. There's the moment you want to stay in bed, but get up to work out. The moment you decide to run your first 10K. And the moment you remember how hard a 5K used to be. All the moments of dedication, passion, and perseverance that pile into triumph. These are the moments of clarity, the moments that define who we are. In these moments, we